Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. This is a model that was custom ordered for one of our customers from earlier this summer. It just arrived, designed to his preference. Has the light blue hull color, red graphics, stainless steel bimini top. Forward we have the low bow rails, bow cushion, trolling motor panel, Tempest fishing seat. This boat has the fishing package, so it has the cooler with cushion, backrests, compass, and the rod holders. Teak package includes teak on the boarding steps and at the swim platform. We have the high rail, which is standard. At the helm, that's a 9-inch Raymarine Fusion Bluetooth stereo. This is the reversible pilot seat, so the backrest has multiple locking positions to face either direction. And beneath the seat, we have an optional live well. Standard on this boat is a 90 horsepower four-stroke from Mercury. This model had the upgraded 115. We have the optional rear quarter seats with the plug-in backrests and the powder-coated ski tow. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're located just off Daniel Island. If you have any interest in ordering a 17 Montauk, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Thank you.